Hey everybody, it's T Haven. I am back. Listen, I wanted to show the dynamic between these two, Teddy Campbell, Glendon Theodore, and also Tina Campbell. Okay, the dynamic between these two, they were both artists. Okay, I kind of talked about Teddy marrying the superstar Mary Tina, right? But let's not forget Teddy actually was in a huge group, the Soul Seekers. Okay, you see Bishop Marvin Winans is up there singing with them. They're not a small group, and I'm fully aware of that. I was aware of that when I spoke about it, but I just kind of want to come back and show people like this is what it is in the gospel industry and musicians and artists and singers. This is kind of the things that we deal with, the unspoken things that happen behind the scenes with ministries, gospel artists, singers, musicians. A lot of the musicians, they're kind of like, good job. Did you get that? Did you hit that? It's kind of like in school, in junior high school. That's kind of how it was. Man, like you could literally meet a guy in church and he literally only is after one thing, and it's to say he got it and he moved on. And he's on to the next girl. Talk about how many women, you remember Juanita Bynum talked about that on Woman That Are Loose, and she preached no more sheets, and she said she got tired of people saying that, they had her and they would go around and talk to her friends and behind her back. These are the things that happen, the secretive things behind the scenes that we just don't discuss. And we're not going to act like this is not the gospel industry and this is the quartet and this is the music industry. I'm throwing quartet in there because I know some things and I really kind of want to share some stuff, but I almost don't want to do it because I'm scared some people watch my channel. And I'm really not trying to throw nobody under the bus. And then one of the people that I would really have to talk about that was in the quartet industry, that was a real singer, and so people would know him if I called his name, and I can't even say his name because God rest his soul, he's no longer here, but some things went down that I knew about. One of the girls I was very, very close to that it went down with, and his family member it went down with. Okay, these are things we just don't talk about, but in the industry it happens, right? This is the reason why I don't know if Tina was caught off guard. I just do not believe that she's from California, LA, and she don't know nothing about Teddy. Musicians know each other. Gospel singers know each other. Quartet singers definitely know each other. That type of quartet that they was in definitely know each other. Okay, this ain't no, I just don't believe she was shocked. And then she may have believed that, hey, I'm marrying Mary. Yeah, he gonna want to get this. He gonna want this. She's a beautiful woman. She's not, Tina's very beautiful, So, yeah, I just kind of wanted to share that. That's kind of like my perspective that, yeah, things can happen in the industry. You don't even have to be in the gospel industry. We'll just say singers, period. We know stuff go down. When it go down, it go down, okay? Anyway, y'all tell me what y'all think. I am going to actually come back. I just kind of wanted to give the correlation of these two were big singers, okay? Just because Mary was hot, that don't mean that the Soul Seekers weren't hot, because we know they was, and probably still is. I don't even know. I think they kind of still like together. We were talking about that last year. One of the bloggers was telling me some things about one of the guys that kind of was new to the group. Anyway, y'all be blessed to see you. Having so much love. Peace. Bye.